Hi! In today's video, I'll show you how to unblock Instagram in Russia. As you probably know, Instagram has been restricted in Russia, which means you can't access it normally. But don't worry, there is a simple solution. So, how do you unblock Instagram in Russia? The short answer is Proton VPN. Proton VPN is an app you install on your computer or smartphone that lets you change your IP address. Once connected, your real IP address is hidden and replaced with the IP address of a VPN server in another country. If you want to use Instagram, here is what you need to do. First, completely close the Instagram app. Don't just minimize it, fully exit it. Then open Proton VPN. You'll see a list of countries. Just choose a location where Instagram is accessible. Switzerland, for example. Click to connect. It only takes a few seconds. That's it. You're now virtually connected from Switzerland. Your IP address has changed. And you should now be able to open Instagram normally. Proton VPN not only helps you bypass restrictions, but it also encrypts your traffic. That means your ISP can't see what you're doing online. When you're done, you can disconnect by clicking here. It works the same way on iPhone, Android, Windows, or Mac. If you want to try Proton VPN, visit vpn-club.com/proton or click the link below this video. It's one of the most reliable VPNs for bypassing censorship, with more than 17,000 servers in 129 countries. It's fast, secure, and you can use it on up to 10 devices at the same time. Proton VPN only costs $2.99 per month, so it's pretty affordable, and there is a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it risk-free and get a full refund if you're not satisfied. Another great option is NordVPN. It's also very effective for unblocking Instagram in Russia, with over 8,900 servers in 129 countries, strong security and a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you want to try NordVPN, visit vpn-club.com/nord or click the link below this video. Use the code VCLUB to get several additional months for free. One last thing, avoid free VPNs. They're usually slow, unreliable, and can easily be detected. A premium VPN is much more effective and secure, especially if you're in Russia. Alright, that's it for today. Now you know how to unblock Instagram in Russia. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.